So title for this is going to be Tornado Exercise. With date. And the reason we do this exercise is to improve on our ability to make curved lines, but also to make those ellipse shapes. So we're going to start at the top with an ellipse, and then it's slowly going to get smaller. You can try the reverse, going small, getting large, getting small again. It's really just to loosen you up. You'll also see me make tornadoes that are made out of just a bunch of ellipses, so like one at a time I'll be making them. But really just want to loosen you up. And these are going to be all over the paper. They're going to go in different directions. They can overlap. Try to do some really like short ones and some kind of longer ones. And feel free to switch up which direction you're going whenever you want to.